In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80240001E on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with a Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and after doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and simply type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. Then here, simply copy these commands, which will be posted in the description box below. Control V and hit Enter. Then wait for the process to be done. So if the DISM scan has been done, copy the second command, which is the SFC scan. And once all the commands has been completely done, then do not forget to type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Scroll down to the Windows Update Service. Right click and then go to Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic and click on Start. Apply, and then OK. Now, if this is already running on your Windows, just simply click the Restart option on the left pane. And do not forget to restart your Windows afterwards. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.